Imagine this. You're looking for a powerful photo editor in 2025, but you don't want another subscription draining your bank account every month. That's when you hear people talking about Darktable, a free open-source Lightroom alternative that promises pro-level editing without paying a dime. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Here's the deal. Darktable is packed with advanced tools. Raw processing, color grading, masking, lens corrections, and a ton of pro features you normally only see in paid apps. It's insanely powerful if you know how to use it. But here's the catch. The learning curve is steep. Darktable isn't built for quick, one-click fixes. The interface can feel overwhelming at first, especially if you're coming from simpler editors. The good news? Once you learn it, you get serious editing power for free. The results can easily compete with Lightroom. And updates are constant thanks to the open-source community. So overall, Darktable isn't a scam, and it's not some cheap knockoff. It's one of the best free editors you can download. Just expect to invest time learning it. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest photo editing reviews.